Right, morning everyone. Hope you're well and hope you've been practicing hard during lockdown. You've got no excuse to practice your putting during lockdown. Everyone's got a kind of a carpet or a wooden floor to practice on, so we've got no excuses there. But what I'm going to kind of give you today is something that will improve your start line and will just give you kind of a bit of an indication as to what the putter face is doing at impact. Okay, now studies have shown roughly kind of ball start line with a putter is between 87 and 93% down to the putter face. Okay, so the little drill I've got here will make you aware of actually what your putter face is doing at impact. Now, it's just going to involve 3 golf balls. I will give you the distance that the balls are from the putter here, but hitting either ball will indicate whether the face is going to be open, which is going to hit the right hand ball from my view, left hand from yours. Or if it hits the left hand ball from my view, right hand ball from yours, it's going to be closed. Okay, so these are things that will make you more aware of kind of your tendencies with putting and your ability to hold more putts. Now this is something I'll do on a regular basis, maybe 3-4 times a week, and something I will always do before I start a tournament, because this is going to get me sighted in for the day. It's going to tell me what my tendency is for the day also, and it's just going to maintain that kind of ability to aim the putter better and square it up through impact. So like I said, we've got 3 golf balls. I use a mirror here. I've got a Posh laser down. Don't worry about the mirror or the laser. Like I said, it's just down from my target line. But what we're going to do is we're going to see whether we can start the ball through the gate there with the balls and into that hole. So what we're going to do, we're going to kind of get ourselves in. We're always going to put the putter in first before we do anything else. We're going to build our setup around that. And then once we're ready to pull the trigger, we're going to roll that ball straight through the target and into the hole there. Now, the ability to do that tells me my putter face was in between kind of 0.5 of a degree where I initially aimed it, and my start line was good. So any kind of off-center hit or face alignment issues, you're going to hit those golf balls. So what we're going to do, we're going to give you the standard measurement. We're also going to give you the kind of toughest measurement that tour pros use on a regular basis, and we're going to have a little bit of a challenge to see who can get the most balls through that, and there will be a little prize for the winner. So give that a go. Like I said, it's all about start line, and we look forward to hearing your feedback. But yeah, stay safe everyone, keep practicing hard, and we'll see you soon. Right, so the measurements that we suggested for this will be, the first one I want you to do, the balls, where the 3 balls here are located on the right hand side here, they're 14 inches from our initial golf ball, okay, and that distance here that I've set this middle ball in is 55 millimeters apart, and that's going to train your face line to be within 0.75 of a degree from initial aim or less, and that's going to be sufficient enough to start that ball down that target and into that hole. Now once we want you to step it up a little bit more, we're going to ask you to move the balls forward. Okay, these can be done with anything. You can do it with nail polish, you can do it with cups, you can do it with sleeves of golf balls. We're now going to move them forward 3 inches, so these balls here are 17 inches from our initial ball, and that gap is now only 50 millimeters apart. And this is what we're going to do our little challenge on. We're going to see who can roll the most balls consecutively through the gap. We'll need it videoed, and like I say, I'm going to issue a sleeve of Pro V1s for the winner. It's all about starting that ball online, and this is the level here that tour pros will always do their practice, and this is why they're so good at holding out putts. But give it a go, and we're going to see who wins. It's just a small little prize, just a bit of fun, but it's a great exercise to start your ball more online and get you holding more putts.